If you've ever wondered how to use Mailchimp's abandoned cart emails to boost your e-commerce sales, this video is exactly what you need. Stick around, and I'll walk you through step by step how to set it up and why it's a game changer for your business. First, let's talk about what abandoned cart emails are and why they're so effective. Abandoned cart emails are automated messages sent to customers who added items to their cart but didn't complete the purchase. These emails remind them of what they're missing, offering a gentle nudge to finalize the sale. In fact, studies show that a good abandoned cart email strategy can recover up to 18% of lost sales. Next thing, let's jump into Mailchimp and how to set this up. The first step is logging into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, check the first link in the description. You can get started for free with some exclusive bonuses. Once logged in, go to the Automations tab. You'll find a list of automation options, and for abandoned carts, you want to select Abandoned Cart Email. It's that simple. Now, let's move on to customizing the email. Mailchimp offers ready-made templates that make this process so much easier. You don't have to start from scratch. Choose a template that fits your brand and adjust the content to make it personal and compelling. Use the customer's name and include a friendly reminder about the items they left behind. You can also add incentives like discounts or free shipping to sweeten the deal. The fourth thing you want to do is set up your trigger. This determines when the abandoned cart email will be sent. Typically, you want to wait about an hour after the cart is abandoned to catch the customer while they're still considering the purchase. You can adjust the timing to suit your business's needs. The best part is that Mailchimp automatically tracks abandoned carts, so you don't have to worry about that step. Next, let's talk about testing and optimizing your abandoned cart emails. After your email is live, you can use Mailchimp's built-in analytics to track open rates, click rates, and conversions. If you're not seeing the results you want, try tweaking the subject line, adding more urgency, or offering different types of discounts. Testing is key to finding the perfect formula for your audience. Finally, let's discuss the power of follow-up. Mailchimp allows you to send a series of emails to people who abandon their cart. You could start with a simple reminder, followed by a second email with a special offer, and even a final reminder to seal the deal. These follow-ups increase your chances of converting potential customers into actual buyers. So there you have it, how to use Mailchimp's abandoned cart emails to recover lost sales and boost your e-commerce business. And don't forget, we've got an exclusive and extended free trial waiting for you through the first link in the description, so you can try this out risk-free. Go ahead and get started today and see the difference it makes. Thanks for watching.